graph the solutions of each system, and the system of inequalities is x plus y is less than or equal to 4, x is greater than or equal to 0, and y is greater than or equal to 0. The graph of this system will be the intersection of the graphs of each of the individual inequalities. So let's begin by looking at the first inequality, x plus y is less than or equal to 4. To graph that, we begin by graphing the line x plus y equals 4, and we graph it solid because the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. That goes through 4 on the y-axis and 4 on the x-axis. Those are the x and y intercepts. So I will graph the line. And then let's just determine which side of this we would shade. We want x plus y is less than or equal to 4. Well, the point 0, 0, we'd have 0 plus 0. That is less than or equal to 4. So we would shade this side of the line. And I'm going to just draw some direction arrows on this near the end of my line to indicate that I would shade on this side of that line. This next inequality, x is greater than or equal to 0. Well, the line x equals 0 is the y-axis, because all along the y-axis x is equal to 0. So x is greater than or equal to 0 to the right of the y-axis. So I can again use my direction arrows here to show that I would shade to the right of the y-axis for that. Y is greater than or equal to 0 above the x-axis. So I can use my direction arrows to indicate that. Now let's see what we have. We have shaded to the right of the y-axis, above the x-axis, and below the slanted line. That gives us this triangular intersection of those graphs. And this section plus this part of the line plus this part of the x-axis plus this part of the y-axis is the graph of the solutions of that system.